This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening TikTok Ads Manager and signing in with the advertiser account linked to billing. Once signed in, make sure you select the exact account ID at the top, because balances are per account. You need the billing country to match your payment method, otherwise the balance display can be blocked. If you have multiple advertisers, switch to the target account now. Once done, head to billing to begin checking balance details and recent transactions. Once in billing, click Transactions and look at the available balance field first. That's what you can spend. Next, check outstanding balance to see unpaid invoices and any pending charges that reduce spendable funds. Use the date filter to isolate the period you need and export the CSV if you must reconcile with bookkeeping. If you funded via prepay or auto-recharge, inspect the Payment Methods tab to confirm recent top-ups. Make sure to refresh the page if numbers look stale. To finish, verify that payments show as cleared and match your bank or card statements. Cleared means the available balance is accurate. If something's off, capture screenshots of the billing page and transaction ID, then contact TikTok Ads support and provide your account ID and evidence. Also recheck billing country, payment method validity, and currency settings because mismatches commonly hide funds or block updates. If the platform shows pending instead of cleared, wait 24 to 72 hours for settlement before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.